Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Dell Alienware AW2523HF with the BenQ ZOWIE XL2566K and what are the main differences between these two. So the primary difference that you need to know, this is like ratings.com amazing site for comparison and I definitely recommend to check it out. So the pixel type, you can have IPS, that in my opinion is better comparing to the DN, so this is also the first thing that is huge. They got both same refresh rate, both kind of same size, both 90 resolution, and what ratings say is that you see that the PC gaming 7.2, 6.8 here, so they're like kind of similar in performance. But when I'm going to look here on some more important information here, so they got both same 2 HDMI, 2 output got Alienware, so that's good. And now when we're gonna look here, you're gonna have also the 4K 60 HZ here, and you don't have it for 1440 here, but you have it here for the BenQ, so that's something that you need to know. There's like another difference here. And when we're gonna look even further here, pixel density a little bit better for the Alienware. And when I even just like researched, just plenty of people recommended that the Alienware is just better comparing to ZOWIE. So just want to make this like really quick video. Hope it was at least a little bit of helpful. So have a great day and goodbye.